Hey everybody! So today I'm talking to you guys about a really cool plugin for Unity called Citizens Pro. And you can find Citizens Pro on the Unity Asset Store. Search for Citizens Pro and you can find it on here for, relatively inexpensive for what it can do. What it provides is a bunch of prefabbed people that allows you to populate your Unity scenes with custom animations of people cheering for an audience or just talking for like conventions. So here, I'll show you how it works. Basically what you do is you create a surface for where you want the audience to be, attach the Citizen Pro plugin. From there you populate that plugin with people prefabs that are provided with the asset. Then once you choose how many people you want in that area, then hit populate and it will populate automatically for you. Now that we've got everything all lined up and ready to go, let's see how it looks like in play mode. And as you can see here, the people are moving around automatically on their own. You can have different people from talking people to the full-on audience. And it really brings your animation to life.